In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced search in Confluence. By the end, you'll know how to find exactly what you need, faster and with fewer clicks. Start by opening the search bar. Look for the magnifying glass at the top right of your Confluence screen and click it. Begin typing a keyword to run a basic search. As you type, Confluence shows suggestions, recent pages you've visited, and relevant spaces, which can often get you to the right place before you even press enter. If you don't see what you want right away, press enter to view the full results page. On the results page, make use of the filters panel on the left to narrow things down. You can limit results to specific spaces, which is great if your organization has many teams. You can filter by content type, such as pages, blog posts, attachments, or comments, so you're not sifting through formats you don't need. Labels or tags help you zero in on content that's been categorized. And the date range filter lets you target items created or modified within a specific window, which is perfect for recent projects. Combine multiple filters together for a very focused result set. If you go too narrow and see too few results, just remove a filter or widen the date range. Quick note before we go deeper, because Confluence is a web-based tool, I've placed a direct link to the website at the top of the description so you can jump right in and follow along. For even more precision, use the Confluence Query Language, or CQL. This lets you craft advanced searches. For example, type page and creator current user shows pages you created. Label project X and modified 2026-01 finds content with a specific label that's been updated after that date. Space HR and title policy searches for the word policy in page titles within the HR space. You can enter these directly into the advanced search bar. CQL supports logical operators like and the tilde operator helps with partial matches in fields like title. If you find yourself repeating the same searches, save them. You can bookmark the results page in your browser or use Confluence's filters so you can revisit them quickly without rebuilding the query each time. When you have a list of results, hover over an item to preview a snippet and confirm it's what you need. Click the page or attachment to open it. For faster navigation, use J and K or the arrow keys to move through results without taking your hands off the keyboard. Practice a few test searches with filters and CQL to build confidence, and you'll be working much more efficiently in no time. Thanks for watching.